Hey guys, so this little intro that I'm doing is actually filmed the day after the hunt. I didn't film any intro before the hunt because I figured the buck that I wanted probably wasn't going to walk out, and everything of course happened so fast. So as you're about to see, the whole bunch of does came out, a couple bucks came out. My target buck finally walked out, started eating for a while. The whole time he was facing me, would not turn broadside whatsoever. There's a point where you'll see in the video where it ended up turning, walking, I don't know, a good 10, 20 yards away from me. Turned the camera off because I figured he wasn't going to come back. Something happened. Sure enough, he came back, worked even closer than what he was. Ended up taking a shot at around 18 yards. Put a Rage broadhead right in front of his front shoulder. Ended up getting double lunged and cut open the top of his heart. He went about 50 yards and dropped over right there. Hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. Oh, got him. Oh, he's down. He's down. He's down right there. Oh, man. Oh, man. What's up, guys? So there's no blood trail because I shot it in the front shoulder, but I am walking up to it right now. It will be my biggest buck with a bow, so that's pretty cool. So we'll see. Here he is. Make sure he's dead first. Yep. Put the bow down. Got him right there, front shoulder. There we go. Thanks for watching.